Come learn psychology of Bhagavad Gita with me verse by verse. In verse 42 and 43, Arjun is talking to Krishna about the generational impact and the family values that get damaged during the war because all these men are going to die. So in verse 42, Arjun turns to Krishna and says that when a disorder spreads in a family or happens to someone, it spreads to the entire family and leads the entire family to hell, which is basically he's talking about the sin that comes when one person commits a sin by killing someone and it passes to the entire family. And he is saying that we're not just killing people, we're killing families, we're destroying the roots, and even the future generations to come are all going to be affected by this. And in verse 43, he's now not just looking at men and the people he's killing or the families he's destroying, he's looking at the disintegration of all the systems that are going to be destroyed because of this war. So through these verses, Arjun is not trying to ask that will we win. He's actually trying to ask that even if we win and if we live, what do we have to live for after all of this chaos is caused? Now, psychologically speaking, Arjun is talking about the ancestral trauma. There was a procedure called Pindan which used to be done for the ancestors, but if there is no one left alive in the family to do it for the ancestors, then that would mean that even the ancestors would be at rest. Now, I know it might not be relevant to a lot of us today, but what it talks about is the carry on of the ancestral or generational trauma. So what Arjun is trying to teach us is that in order to move on from our past, we need to heal from it and not just erase it. Also in modern psychology, we call this role confusion. So Arjun's worry is that when the generations will go ahead, they will not just go ahead with traditions, they'll go ahead with trauma. And so in today's life, we can see that so many families are getting destroyed because of ego or greed over property or money, and then all these traditions are fading away because there is so much disconnection between all of us. So to conclude, Arjun is trying to teach that don't just fight the battles to win something which comes at the cost of your soul's foundation. And if you are ready to start becoming the better version of ourselves, we are soon going to move to chapter 2 where the real deal starts. So follow me for more such videos.